2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit. It has 6 cylinders, 3.6 liters, and is equipped with flex fuel. AutoCheck gives this Jeep a score of 84 out of 86 and shows no history of being involved in any accidents or having any damage reported. You can view the AutoCheck report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. You can see it has the power liftgate and it has a towing capacity of up to 6,200 pounds according to the internet research. There is your spare tire and equipment needed. And then there's your button to close the liftgate. And you have that nice rubber mat to protect the interior carpet. There is the aluminum alloy rims and the tread on the tires. Now let's go inside. The interior is black leather in excellent condition. Here is the back row. And then you can see it has a panoramic sunroof. Your rear passengers do have heated seats, as well as USB ports and 115-volt outlet. You have dual power seats, which is a nice feature. This navigation screen is where your backup camera is. Just one, and then here's your climate controls, your collision alert, drink holders. Here's your drivetrain selection. And then you have heated and vented seats. Let's turn the climate on. There you go, and now you have the dual climate control. Up here you have your garage door transmitters as well as your sun and panoramic roof controls. There are no caution or warning lights on. You have the adaptive cruise control. There's your menu controls, power locks, power windows. And down here you have your seat memory and you have the upgraded Harman Kardon speakers. If you are looking for an all-wheel drive vehicle, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this Jeep out for a test drive. We are located at 95 West 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away smiling. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock.